By for dispatch. Gates open. They're up and racing. Ideal view. Una mujer. Para goods order. Karma running by the rail. Then comes pass forward. Big Bone and Mike's Dancer is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900. Una mujer in command by a length. Then moving up in between runners. Para goods order. Karma is by the rail. Pass forward now, racing in fourth, then followed by Ideal View, Big Bone, and Mike's Dancer is still running at the tail of the field as they round to the last 600. Una Mujer still leading the field. Para Goods Order still in second. Karma fading out in third and moving up pass forward. Ideal View, Big Bone, Mike's Dancer as they race to the final corner with Una Mujer leading the field. Para Goods Order moving up down on the inside. Karma remains in third, then comes pass forward with the last 150 more to run. Para Goods Order, Una Mujer fighting back on the outside. We have Para Goods Order, Una Mujer, Para Goods Order is by the rail. Para Goods Order, Una Mujer, and finally Una Mujer, Para Goods Order. Karma, then comes pass forward.
1-3.
6513. All right, so